My name is Jorge Guerra, your 2020 chairman of the board. I'm going to share with you 4 tips that'll help you grow your business today. Coming in at number 4, MiamiRealtorsLive.com. One place to educate where you get virtual classes, seminars, and webinars. Make sure you take this opportunity to sharpen your tools. Coming in at number 3, Form Simplicity. Check out the new COVID addendum and make sure you're up to date with it. More importantly, your ability to sign online is more important than ever. Make sure that you're capable. Coming in at number 2, Agent 3000. Secret agents don't do very well in my industry. Agent 3000 allows you to be visible across multiple platforms, from websites to Facebook ads and even Craigslist ads. Do yourself a favor and check this one out. Now that we're training online, we have online signing capabilities, and we're visible with our audience. My number 1 tip is Remind Pro. With Miami's recently signed agreement, we now have access to all their back-end features. No longer do we have to buy leads. Now we have the ability to find our leads.